Welcome to this Fan Page Manager training video. Here's what we're going to cover in this video. We'll talk about the overall app navigation, showing you how to get around the software, and then we'll talk about using the feed feature. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started. So when you first open Fan Page Manager and you're logged in with your Facebook account, you'll see this screen right here. Now at the top, you have different tabs that allows you to work within the software. So right now we're on the main tab, but you also have the ability to use keywords and hashtags. You also have the scheduled post tab, which allows you to see what posts are scheduled and when they're going out. You have the post analytics tab that lets you work through your analytics or your fan pages, and then your settings, and finally, if you need help. So I'm going to go back to the main tab. And this is the area right here where you can select any of the fan pages that's associated with your Facebook account. They can be your own fan pages or fan pages that you have access to. So you can click the drop down box for that right here. Now you can also choose the type of content that you want to post, whether it's text, images, or video, which I'll go through the image and the videos in another training video. So over here is where you have the option to make your posts that you post to Facebook or any of your fan pages even better. Before I get to that, over here is where you can see all the recent posts of a particular fan page. And if you want to post to more than one fan page, you can select which fan pages to post, check them in here, and then make your post. Also, for scheduling your post, you can choose the option right in here to select the date and time to do so. And finally, as you probably already guessed, this is where you put the text for your post that you're going to send to any fan page that you own. And any link that you want to put, you put it in right there. Okay, let's go back over here to some of the options. And right here is the fan page RSS feed. Now you can add a feed to any of the fan pages that you have in your account. All you have to do is come up here and press the add feed button and then select the fan page that you want to post the feeds to. Then you give it a title and then you put the feed URL in here. Once you're done, you just click on save and now that feed will be attached to that fan page. So I'll go ahead and paste that in there and then put in the title. I'm going to put Food Network and then click on save. And now we can go over here and see which feeds are attached to our fan page just by selecting the option there, and we can see it's right there. Now, if you're looking for news sources, just click on that and you have a ton of news sources right over here. Just double click on any of those and you can see the content from that news source. You can scroll through any of the pages that you want or choose to select an item right from off the page. So I can click on select right there and now we'll see it show up right over here. And we can add our own thoughts to it in the post area up here. Now, besides news sources, you also have a content library right over here that you can expand and collapse. You also have access to the top headlines. And if you ever get stuck, you can also use the post templates right here. So if I wanted a comment booster, I can click on that. And as you can see, the template will load right within the posting area. But it gets even better. You can also use the search content option right here and select from Google News or Google Blog Search. Put in your keywords and then click on search. Now you can view that content by clicking view and it will show up in a web browser, or you can choose to select that and it will show up right over here in the posting area. How awesome is that? And don't forget, like I said before, if you ever want to get around the software, you can always do it by using the tabs right up here in this area. And if you decide you want to start over, just go ahead and click on the clear content area just like that. And you can add smileys if you want to by using that option. You can also add hashtags. And then if you have any notes, you can also add those as well. And if you want to log out the software, all you have to do is come right over here to this area and press log out. And that's pretty much it. Fan Page Manager is going to allow you to manage all the content for all your fan pages, but help you do it with ease and with less time. Okay, that's it for this video. Go ahead and start using Fan Page Manager now.